हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सिंस इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ चुका है, एक्चुअली कल ही है, तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि लेट्स मेक सम इंडिपेंडेंस डे इंस्पायर्ड नेल आर्ट डिज़ाइंस, ईजी वंस जो हम सब ट्राई कर सकते हैं ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड इन्जॉय कर सकते हैं, सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं इस दिन को। हमारी कंट्री उस दिन आज़ाद हुई थी and we are free today, we are free to express ourselves today, so this is the day we can express ourselves in whichever way we want, whichever way. And since I love doing nail art designs, I prefer to use my nail polishes to and my nails to express myself and my thoughts on different occasions. So let's start with Independence Day nail art. जैसे आप देख सकते हो मेरे पास बड़ी सारी ऑरेंजेस, ग्रीन, ब्लू, वाइट, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस डे इंस्पायर्ड कलर्स हैं। तो आपके पास जो भी ऑरेंज या फिर ग्रीन कलर की नेल पॉलिश हो एंड वाइट एंड ब्लू नेल पॉलिश, you can use them. I will also be using this one for some. सबसे पहले मैं आपको 3 नेल आर्ट आज करके दिखाऊंगी। वेरी सिंपल नेल आर्ट डिज़ाइंस जो आप कभी भी कर सकते हो। यू कैन लाइक चेंज द कलर्स एंड मेक दैम सूटेबल फॉर डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स एज वेल। दे आर सुपर ईजी। ओके, सो सबसे पहला वाला नेल आर्ट हम बनाएंगे यूजिंग माई दिस ग्रीन कलर नेल पॉलिश बाय कलर बार। इसका शेड है फ्रेश ग्रास। दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी एमरल्ड काइंड ऑफ ग्रीन कलर and I really love it. दूसरी है मेरी Miami Breeze nail polish by TS Color Police. This is my second, actually this is my second favorite and first favorite if you want budget nail polishes. Color bar nail polishes are slightly expensive. Each nail polish costs for 199 rupees, and if you want another one range from Color bar, they are I think they are 300 bucks, and but TS color police nail polishes are only 75 to 90 rupees की रेंज में है, and I really love it. Very good brand, and color pigmentation भी बहुत अच्छी होती है, and it lasts quite long without chipping. So I really love this one. This is my if you're looking for budget nail polishes which are good and can give you like a very glossy and nice finish, cream finish, then this is the brand for you. So you can see like I have many nail polishes from TS. I will be making one video for this one, so do subscribe and comment and follow my YouTube channel. I have mentioned the links in the description box if you want to follow me on other social channels, and I will keep you posted with good nail art and skincare and food and whatever thing that interest me. So please subscribe. So let's get started with first nail art. I will talk about other nail polishes as I go. For this nail art I will be using the dark green color fresh grass from Color Bar, Miami Breeze orange color from TS, white marshmallow nail polish from TS Color Police, and Nika blue raspberry nail polish, NY Bay in Hudson Moonlight, this is silver nail polish, top coat of course Pitura nail polished top coat. This is the cheap nail top coat that I like. These are the colors that we will be needing for the first nail art. So let's clear out the station. We have cleared out the station, so let's start by polishing our nails. First you have to use the dark green color for your middle finger. Even though it has been like quite some time since I started polishing my nails, like many years, तब भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है मुझे नेल पॉलिश प्रॉपरली लगाने में. It messes my entire nail and the area around it. I'm pretty sure many of you out there are familiar with this situation. ये कलर्स इतने ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड हैं, यू नो, कि आपको ना बस एक सिंगल कोट ही चाहिए होती है एंड इट टर्न्स आउट लाइक रियली प्रिटी. इवन इफ यू मेक अ मेस अराउंड योर नील, you can just clear it out with your other finger, other thumb, from the other hand, so many other things. Then you paint your pinky nail with the silver polish. It's done. I like pigmented polishes, you know, they are really nice to, you know, give you nice color. And then the remaining two, your ring finger and your thumb, you have to use the white nail polish. Pigmented nail polishes are really nice, you know. So I'm sorry if I go off the focus, out of the focus. I'm still learning making videos for nail art, especially while speaking. It's not easy. White nail polish need multiple coats, you know. I made a mess. We made a boo-boo. So let's correct it. I hate when my nail polishers, you know, don't stay on my nail. So we are finished with the base, and please don't. Let's wait for it to dry. हमारी नेल्स ड्राई हो गए हैं. हमारे नहीं, सॉरी, मेरे नेल्स ड्राई हो गए हैं. So first of all we will need the blue nail polish. You can use any blue nail polish. This represents the Ashoka Chakra that is in the middle of our nail, our Indian flag. You will need a dotting tool. If you need tutorials for dotting tool and how to use it, or how to make, you know, nail art designs with it, you can visit my other video. Just a dot, single dot, not much you will need, but if you want, like me, you can create multiple dots using the dotting tool. I wish my nails would have been bigger to put, you know, many dots. This is looking so nice. Then we will use our orange nail polish, just few drops. Nail polish is very dry very quickly, so I prefer to use little as little as possible at single point. And now using a striper brush, I want to focus it. Using a striper brush, you have to make straight lines on your nails, the white ones. Make it in different shapes. If it's a little wobbly, it's okay. Eventually it will look good. I hope you can see. I'm making slightly wobbly lines, not very straight, because I want them to look a little, sort of like waterfall kind of look that I'm hoping for. This is a very simple nail art which anyone can make. You don't need very elaborate skills for this one. Now just fill in the space in between using your green nail polish. Although Indian flag have different kind of colors of orange and green, I wanted to do with a little variety of orange and green, not very similar to that, so that anyone who has if they have any other color of green or orange, they can make their desired nail art designs. This is the freedom we have in our country. My hands are not steady today, so yeah, we have a mess here, and a little here. Let's clean them up. Use a cotton to clean your polish. Balance the colors. If you see any gap, just fill it with the color, like I'm doing right now. So we are done with our nail art, and it is this easy. Very easy to do it. You can use any other color if you have. I prefer these colors for this nail art actually, and I will be using other colors as well. Our nail art is done. सेकेंड नेल आर्ट का ये मैं थोड़ा सा लाइट ऑरेंज और ग्रीन कलर के साथ करना चाहती थी, इसलिए मैंने थोड़े से लाइट कलर्स लिए हैं. यू कैन डू इट विद योर रेगुलर ऑरेंज कलर नेल पॉलिश और डार्क ग्रीन कलर. ये है कलर बार का पीचीनेस शेड. इट्स वेरी क्यूट पीच कलर, बट it has like slightly dark orange shade too, somewhere in the middle. This one is Misty Olive by TS Color Police, and again this one is the marshmallow shade, and we will need top coat and a dotting tool. This is a very simple nail art that I am going to do now. I have already prepared my nails with white polish. So let's start. सबसे पहले हम सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए ऑरेंज नेल पॉलिश. मैं एक्चुअली सबसे नीचे मैं ऑरेंज लगाऊंगी, देन विल लीव सम स्पेस एंड उसके ऊपर ग्रीन कलर का, सो दैट इफ़ आई डू लाइक दिस एंड आई क्लिक माई पिक्चर, मेरा नेल आर्ट थोड़ा प्रॉपर लगे, ऑरेंज उल्टा ना हो जाए. You can do it whichever the way you wish. We'll start with orange. Let's start. Plastic sheet. Always use plastic sheets. I love using plastic sheets for all my nail art designs. It works as a base. It works as a plate for me. I've already shown you how messy my plate is, my color plate is. Let's start. Instead of making proper orange shapes, dot shapes, you can slightly create a little bendy or not very symmetrical designs. It looks really pretty when it's a little asymmetrical. I prefer to do it like that. You can use symmetrical circles, but I like to keep it a little asymmetrical. You can see. It might look a little flushed in the video, but this is a very nice orange color, peachy, dark peach color actually, and looks very pretty. 3 fingers are done. Let's a little more color. Never take out all the color at once as per your requirement, because it dries up pretty quickly and it doesn't look nice when it's dried up. आपका dotting tool अच्छे से काम नहीं करेगा if it's dried up, the polish is dried up. Be random, don't follow the same routine on all the nails. Be random so that it looks slightly different asymmetrically. One layer is done. Then we will need our green color. coming out really nicely. You can see the flag. It's really pretty. I love when my nail art design comes out the way I want it to be, you know. Takes a lot of effort to come up with a different design and which you have not seen anywhere. Sometimes I like to recreate designs as I've seen on others. I'm pretty sure you all must be doing that too. So I've finished with all of them. You can see it's looking really nice. When there are, if you see any, you know, dots in between which are white and looking incomplete, you can use your small dotting tool to fill in the gaps, as I'm seeing in the video. On the nail it doesn't look like that, but if you see it in the picture, it does look a little missing. I've filled up the gaps, and if I make any mistake, I have to correct them. Okay. Yeah, one dot here, one dot there, and your nail art is done. So it's done. You can leave the middle part, white part, like that only, but if you don't like it blank, you can use a blue polish and put a little dot in the middle. So you use blue polish and you just slightly put it in the middle. And just create small dots in the middle and your nail art is done. It's time for third nail art. For this one we will need TS Color Police Miami Breeze, TS Color Police Misty Olive, TS Color Police Marshmallow. I have already applied the marshmallow nail polish, the white base on my nails, and a stamping nail polish. You can use regular nail polishes as well if they are thick and not very runny for stamping, but the stamping nail polishes, they help in, you know, getting a more vibrant color for stamps, for the design. For this one I will use this wheel spoke design. This will represent our Ashoka Chakra in the nail art, and a small stamper. So once you have applied the white nail polish, just pick up your colors and apply them vertically on your nails. apply them vertically on all your nails. It's okay if you leave any white space. That's the charm of the nail polish. I will do a mix match of them. So that when I click the picture, the nail polish is where I want it. It's a very simple design. It's time for the green nail polish. You can use any green color nail polish or dark, light, whichever that you like. Just a single stroke, not a lot, a single stroke. It's done. If you have any nail polish on the sides, you can just simply clean it up. So let's clean them. Once the cleanup is done, wait for it to dry for the next step. Now use the blue nail polish, a very thin coat of it, and to creates the Ashoka Chakra base in the middle. Even if it's a little uneven, it's okay, because we are using this dry brush technique to create a very thin film of the color. I don't want it to be too vibrant. I want it to be very sheer, so that then the Ashoka Chakra can like show up on the top. So it's done. Let's wait for it to dry for the next step. By the way, this is another color bar nail polish. It's color bar artifacts in glowing sapphire shade. I have many color bar nail polishes. You can check the review of these in my videos, in my uploads. I have reviewed many of them, and I still have a lot of them pending to be reviewed. So I will post another second part of the video soon. Let's start the next step. Use your stamping polish to pick up the design. I prefer to use visiting cards or business cards instead of the scraper, because these are very gentle. Here is our wheel spoke design. Let's transfer it on the it's not very perfect, but it's okay. So let's do the same step on the other ones. Our nail art is done. If you have any gaps left while stamping, just correct them using your nail polish, and